Crafting a strong and effective LinkedIn profile has become an indispensable tool for professionals looking to upgrade their professional brand. With an astounding 40 million users leveraging the platform for job searches on a weekly basis, the importance of creating a compelling and impactful LinkedIn profile cannot be overstated. To achieve this, it is essential to optimize each section of your profile with precision, making it effortless for others to locate and establish connections with you. So hey everyone, welcome back to another video by Simplilearn. In this video, we will learn how to make a great LinkedIn profile. We will cover topics like profile picture and cover photo, headline, summary, grow your network, and list your relevant skills. So these are the topics that we will be covering in this video session. So stay till the end of this video if you want to gain some valuable information. Now before moving forward, let me ask you a quick question. So which of the following features on LinkedIn allow users to see who has viewed your profile? A. LinkedIn Learning, B. LinkedIn Premium, C. LinkedIn Jobs, or D. LinkedIn Profile Views. You can pause this video and answer in the comment section below. Alright, so now let's begin with the first topic, that is profile picture and cover photo. So profile picture on LinkedIn is an essential element of one's professional presence on the platform. It is the first thing that a potential employer, client, or connection see when they visit your profile. A well-chosen profile picture can help create a positive first impression, convey professionalism, and establish credibility. A LinkedIn profile picture provides a visual representation of your personal brand, and it can convey a lot about your personality and work lifestyle. A professional headshot or a high-quality image can show that you take your professional image seriously and can help establish trust with other potential clients or employers. Conversely, a low-quality or unprofessional image can create a negative impression and undermine your professional credibility. Having a profile picture also helps you stand out from the crowd. LinkedIn is a highly competitive platform, and having a nice profile picture can help you catch the attention of recruiters or potential employers. It can also help you build your professional brand and establish a consistent image across different online platforms. So there are few things that you can keep in mind while selecting your profile photo. It is crucial to ensure that your LinkedIn profile picture is recent and accurately reflects your current appearance. This includes your hairstyle, glasses, makeup, and other physical features that people encounter when meeting you in person. In case you undergo a significant transformation in your appearance, it may be wise to consider updating your profile picture to ensure that professional employers or clients can recognize you easily. Having an up-to-date profile picture can be beneficial during the hiring process by making it easier for interviewers to identify you and create a comfortable atmosphere during the interview. Next tip is, it is advisable to use a profile picture that shows your face taking up at least 60% of the frame when it comes to professional social media platforms such as LinkedIn. Although a picture of yourself on a distant mountain peak may work well on other platforms, it may not be well suitable for displaying your professional appearances to potential employers or connections. Now the next tip is, your profile picture is an opportunity to convey your personal brand. So if you consider your brand a little more serious, it's okay to look serious in your picture. But generally speaking, smiling can help put the candidate at ease and make you look more approachable. Now if we talk about the cover photo, then a cover photo on LinkedIn is a large image that appears at the top of your profile page. It's an essential element of your LinkedIn profile as it visually represents your personal brand and helps you make a strong first impression on the potential employers. The importance of having a good cover photo on LinkedIn cannot be overstated. It can help you to stand out from other professionals and make a positive impact on your audience. So when choosing a cover photo for your LinkedIn profile, you should keep a few things in mind. First is, it should be high quality and visually appealing. Avoid using low resolution or blurry images that can make you appear unprofessional. Second, it should be relevant to your professional brand and convey a message that aligns with your career goals. You can use a professional headshot, a photo of you working in your field, or an image that represents your industry or interests. Alright, so now let's understand how to write a perfect headline for LinkedIn. Your LinkedIn headline is an essential part of your profile, as it is one of the most first things that people will see when they come across your page. A well-written headline can quickly grab someone's attention and make them want to learn more about you. Here are some tips on how to write a perfect headline for LinkedIn. So point number 1 would be clear and concise. Your headline should quickly convey what you do and what you can offer. Use simple language and avoid using buzzwords that may not be understood by everyone. Second is use keywords. So incorporate relevant keywords that are commonly used in your industry or field. This will help your profile appear in a relevant search results and make it easier for people to find you. Third is highlight your unique value proposition. Your headline should also highlight what sets you apart from others in your field. What are your unique skills, experience, or accomplishments that make you stand out? Fourth is customize it for your audience. Consider who your target audience is and what they may be looking for. Tailor your headline to appeal to them and address their needs or pain points. Examples of well-written LinkedIn headlines include, as you can have a look on the screen, example number 1 is Marketing Manager driving business growth through innovative strategies. Example number 2 is Full Stack Developer expert in JavaScript, React and Node.js. Third example is Experienced HR Professionals helping companies build and retain high-performing teams. So these are 3 examples. You don't have to write exactly. You have to tailor these according to your headline or your LinkedIn profile. You can do that. These are the 3 examples that you should keep in mind and from where you can take a reference from. So in a nutshell, your LinkedIn headline should be clear, concise, professional, and tailored to your target audience. By incorporating relevant keywords and highlighting your unique value proposition, you can create a headline that effectively showcases your skills and expertise to potential connections and employees. So this was all about the headline. Now let's understand how to write a perfect summary for your LinkedIn profile. So a LinkedIn summary is a brief statement that appears at the top of your LinkedIn profile, just below your profile picture and headline. It is an opportunity to introduce yourself, highlight your professional achievements, and showcase your personal brand. Writing a compelling, effective LinkedIn summary can help you stand out from the crowd, attract potential employers or clients, and establish credibility as a professional. Now, to write a perfect LinkedIn summary, you should start with strong opening statement that captures the reader's attention and clearly communicates your professional goals and values. You should highlight your most significant accomplishments and skills, emphasizing those that align with your career goals. Third point would be use specific and concrete examples to illustrate your achievements and skills and quantify your results whenever possible. Fourth would be share your unique perspective and personality and show your passion for your work. Fifth point is keep your language concise, clear, and easy to understand and avoid slangs or over technical terms. Remember, your LinkedIn summary is an opportunity to make a strong first impression and differentiate yourself from other professionals in your field. By following these guidelines, you can create a powerful and effective summary that showcases your skills, experience, and personality and sets you apart from the competition. So this was about how to write a perfect summary for your LinkedIn profile. Now let's understand how to grow your network on LinkedIn. So growing your professional network is crucial for success in any industry or field. Expanding your network can lead to new opportunities, valuable connections, and increased visibility within industry. On LinkedIn, the importance of growing your network cannot be overstated. LinkedIn is a social media platform designed specially for professionals to connect with each other, share industry news and insights, and showcase their skills and accomplishments. By building a strong network on LinkedIn, you can increase your visibility to potential employers, clients, and business partners. So here are some key benefits of growing your network on LinkedIn. Access to more opportunities. As your network grows, you will have the access to more job postings, business opportunities, and potential clients. Second is increased visibility. The more connections you have on LinkedIn, the more visible you become. This can lead to more profile views, which in turn can lead to more opportunities. Third is enhanced credibility. Having a large and diverse network can enhance your credibility and make you appear more trustworthy to potential clients and employers. Fourth is industry insights and trends. By following and connecting with other professionals in your industry, you can stay up to date on the latest trends and insights. Fifth point is learning and development. By connecting with other professionals in your field, you can learn from their experience and insights and develop your skills and knowledge. Alright, so the next thing you must do while creating a perfect LinkedIn profile is to list your relevant skills. So listing your relevant skills on LinkedIn is important because it helps the potential employers and colleagues quickly and easily identify your professional strengths and areas of expertise. This can be especially valuable if you're looking for a job or seeking to establish your professional reputation within your industry. Employability skills can differ based on your job sector and level of experience. However, certain skills are universally appreciated and in high demand regardless of your position. While technical skills tend to be specific to particular industries, soft skills like effective communication, analytical thinking, teamwork, and efficient time management are valued by employers across all sectors. When it comes to writing your skills on LinkedIn, here are few tips to help you make the most of this section. First is focus on relevant skills. Be strategic about the skills you list on your profile. Choose those that are most relevant to your current or desired industry and consider what keywords recruiters or hiring managers might be searching for. Second is use concise, specific language. Keep your skills and descriptions brief and to the point, using clear and specific language to describe your abilities. Avoid vague or generic terms like excellent communication skills or strong leadership skills and instead use more concrete examples like public speaking, conflict resolution, or team management. Provide evidence. Third point is provide evidence of your skills. So whenever possible, provide evidence or examples of how you have demonstrated your skills in past roles. This might include metrics, awards, or a specific projects you have worked on. Fourth point is prioritize your top skills. LinkedIn allows you to list up to 50 skills on your profile, but you should prioritize your top 10-15 skills to ensure they appear prominently. You can also rearrange the order of your skills to highlight those that are most important. Fifth point is keep your skills up to date. Regularly review and update your skills on LinkedIn to reflect your evolving professional abilities and experiences. This will help ensure that your profile accurately represents your current skill set and expertise. Enhancing your skills through online courses is a great way to advance your career, especially if you're interested in pursuing a software development career. One particular course that may interest you is Simplilearn's postgraduate program in full stack web development. This program can help you provide with all the necessary skills and knowledge to become a successful full stack web developer. To find the details of Simplilearn's postgraduate program in full stack web development, check the link in the description box below. It could be the ideal solution to help you build your career in the right direction. In conclusion, having a great LinkedIn profile is crucial for professionals in today's digital age. To create a compelling profile, start by selecting a professional profile picture, crafting a compelling headline, and writing the summary that highlights your skills and experience. Additionally, consider including multimedia content such as articles, videos, and presentations to showcase your expertise and accomplishments. Finally, engage with others on the platform by sharing valuable content, networking, and participating in groups related to your industry or interests. By following these tips, you can create a standout LinkedIn profile that will help you advance your career and expand your professional network. Alright guys, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching, stay safe and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.